Hello guys, today I will epicenter for you the product Profillica. My name is Priscilla. Today I am here to share a very important issue about the product Profillica. Before buying this product, I have a very important warning to give you. If you in fact are going to buy this product, buy on the official site, for you do not buy this product if it is not original, and to help you I left the link of the official site here in the description of the video. And you may be wondering if the product Profillica is good, and yes folks, the product Profillica is good, yes. This product breaks down DHT-triggered hair loss, awakens dormant follicles to new hair, is 100% natural and clinically tested. Many men and women at some point in their lives have suffered and experienced hair loss. This innovative product reduces hair loss by DHT, dihydrotestosterone. The Profillica system is formulated to reduce and ultimately reverse hair loss. The Profillica product stimulates blood circulation and provides nutrients to the follicles. Increases hair quality and texture. Provides shine to the strands. Provides for the growth of new and healthy hair. Regulates scalp oiliness and sebum production. The men who tested this product acquired an expressive result, as 90% of the men said that their hair loss decreased. This means that many men had positive results with this product inclusive. This product is guaranteed for 67 days. Take this unique opportunity to have your hair healthy again. I'm done here. See you soon.